ABC Speaking Academy. Let's talk about myself.
Hello, everyone. My name is Sophia Garcia. I am 16 years old and I am grade 10 student. I live in the city with my parents and my younger brother. My favorite subjects are English and biology because I enjoy learning about languages and science. In my free time, I like reading novels and listening to music. I also enjoy playing volleyball with my classmates after school. My dream is to become a doctor in the future. I believe that hard work and determination can help me achieve my goals. Thank you for listening, and it's nice to meet you all.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Daniel Cruz. I am 15 years old, and I study in grade 10. I enjoy learning mathematics because I like solving challenging problems. After school, I usually play basketball with my friends or practice the guitar at home. I also enjoy watching educational videos on the internet. My family always encourages me to study hard and do my best. My goal is to become an engineer someday. I'm excited to learn new things and meet new friends this school year. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.
Hello, classmates. My name is Emma Wilson. I am 16 years old and I am from Cebu. I am currently studying in grade 11. My favorite subjects are history and English because I enjoy reading and learning about different cultures. I spend my weekends helping my parents and completing my school projects. I also enjoy painting and taking photographs. During my free time, one of my dreams is to become a journalist and travel around the world. I always try to be kind, responsible, and respectful to everyone. Thank you for listening to my introduction.
Hi, everyone. My name is Michael Reyes. I am 17 years old, and I am a grade 11 student. I enjoy playing football and staying active because sports keep me healthy. My favorite subject is computer science because I love learning about technology. I spend my free time practicing coding and playing chess with my friends. I believe that every challenge is an opportunity to learn something new in the future. I want to become a software developer. I am looking forward to making a new friends and creating wonderful memories at school. Thank you, everyone.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Chloe Martinez. I am 16 years old and I am studying in grade 10. I enjoy singing, dancing, and participating in school activities. My favorite subject is music because it allows me to express my creativity. I also enjoy volunteering during community programs and helping people whenever I can. My family inspires me to become a kind and responsible person. My dream is to become a teacher and inspire young students to love learning. I am excited to improve my skills and learn from all of you. Thank you for listening. Thanks for watching. Until our next speaking adventure.